Koren campsite. Here, visitors will be met by the leisureliness of the nature. The expectations of the most demanding adventurers will be taken care of, and friendly, hospitable people will introduce you to a versatile service that can be found at the campsite. Koren campsite is located by the Soča river, only 500 meters from Kobarid by the road to Drežnica village. The campsite is located 9 kilometers from the Italian border, 50 kilometers from the Austrian border, 50 kilometers from Nova Gorica and 100 kilometers from Ljubljana. The picturesque landscape of Koren campsite will reveal to the visitors the most beautiful places of the Soča Valley, such as the Soča River Canyon, waterfall of the Kozjak stream, gravel pits, the well-known Napoleon Bridge and the restored front line from World War I. Like showers, dishwashing facilities are adapted for people with disabilities. There is a shop at the campsite. The shop is well stocked with everything you need, and it also provides a vast variety of ecological food. Soča Hydrospeed is one of the most popular adrenaline sports. If you decide to try Soča Hydrospeed, a warm Hydrospeed neoprene outfit with additional protection is provided. You are also accompanied by a guide. You go down the river using a small, specially designed boat called Hydrospeed, which looks like a surfboard, steering it with your flippers. Can you think of a river more suitable for rafting than the Soča? Rafting on the river is getting more and more popular, probably due to the fact that for this type of activity there are no age limits, no physical fitness is required, and you also don't need any previous knowledge. Man has always wanted to reach as high as possible, and climbing has always been a great challenge. Beat it. Now you've got the chance. The artificial climbing wall at Koren campsite gives you the opportunity to show what you're made of. With little effort, you can climb to the top. Beginners needn't worry. At the campsite you can learn how to climb, and you can also enroll your children into a climbing kindergarten. However, the overhanging part of the wall is only for experienced climbers. Needless to say, there are numerous natural walls to climb. The walls are suitable for both beginners and experienced climbers. Horses are known to change people's lives. They help children to gain self-confidence. They fill grown-ups with peace and tranquility and help them restore long-lost hope. The warmth, friendship and loyalty of a horse on one hand, and the wild river gnawing at limestone barriers that are in the way and then slowly flowing along gravel pits on the other, makes riding along the Soča River an unforgettable experience. Go anywhere by bike when you are staying at Koren campsite. You can ride numerous mountain tracks and narrow paths, or admire the beautiful Soča Valley, all the way from Trenta Valley to Most na Soči. Cyclists will be overwhelmed by intact nature, the beautiful river, and by fresh mountain air. Breathtaking views will help soothe cyclists' eyes. For those who prefer walking, the proud and untamable river is ready to reveal all its charms. Hiking in this area has a long history, and there are many different trails, and it's only up to you what destinations to choose. The surroundings of Koren campsite offer a visitor various walks, those for experienced hikers and those for complete beginners who have just started, revealing the timelessness of this area. Here, a visitor will find many marked trails and also many marked paths to waterfalls and gorges. At the campsite you'll find many idyllic spots to place your tent, and the camping area is also divided for large groups and families. Koren campsite additionally provides shelter and all the necessary maintenance for those who come by caravan and by trailer. Those who possess the Camping Card International (CCI), other guides, groups, regular guests, and those who decide to stay for a longer time are all entitled to a discount. Camping without an outdoor picnic simply wouldn't be right. Eating outdoors in this beautiful scenery is really enjoyable. If you like to join in outdoor activities with an urban touch, Koren campsite is just the place. Like playing ball? Ready? Serving. You needn't play by the rules. In a team or in pairs, beach volley is always exciting and full of action. Let the children play on the playground, where their imagination can grow wings, and you can supervise them. It is not important whether sauna and massage simply serve a cosmetic purpose or help you to relax your body and spirit. The two methods help you to have better circulation. They help in eliminating salt from your body and also eliminate toxic substances from your body. In this way, you will be able to sleep peacefully without tense and painful muscles. The clear waters enable a variety of living organisms, therefore it is not surprising that recreational fishing is gaining popularity. To those interested in fishing, Koren campsite introduces areas abundant in fish, where you can find renowned marble trout and Soča grayling. Everything can be seen from above. Therefore, you are invited to sail the blue Kobarid sky. You can fly up from different places such as Kuk, Planica or Stol. The Kobarid region is known to have the best conditions for paragliding in Slovenia. And who knows, the person above seen from below might just be you. This oasis, tenderly caressing us with the beauties of nature, has a name. Yes, this is the Koren campsite.